FAU? Find the slope. We're going to use the calculator for this. What you want to do is set up the template fraction bar with a minus sign and a minus sign. And then it's going to be y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So it's going to be that 5 minus the negative 2 over that negative 1 minus that negative 8. And I just want to use the technology to enter that in. So you want to type in the fraction bar, then enter that in like it looks. 5 minus negative 2, down arrow, negative 1 minus negative 8. And the calculator will generate the simplified for you. Did you get one? Yeah. All right. Now, the slope is 1, and it wants the equation in terms of x. In other words, you can either do y equals mx plus b, or you can do ax plus by equals c. Is the test going to be on the computer or pencil and paper? You don't know yet. All right, first thing I want to do is standard form. So, you have a date this Friday night. Who are you going to go out with? Negative 8, negative 2, or 1, 5? You're going to go out with negative 8, negative 2. So you pick one of those points. And your slope equals 1. Now, to do this format, we leave it as 1. To do standard format, we write it as 1 over 1. That slope is positive. That slope is positive. We're going to put a negative term there. And then it's going to go 1x minus 1y equals some number. And to figure out what that number is, I plug in the negative 8. So that's going to be negative 8 minus, and I plug in that negative 2. And that's going to give me negative 6. So the ax plus by equals c equation is x minus y equals negative 6. What's the slope of the line? What's the slope of the line? 1, isn't it? So now I'm going to do y equals 1x plus, I need to know what the b is. I need to know what the b is. In order to find b, you go over to this equation. You go over to this equation, and you divide both of them by what's in front of the y. What's negative 6 divided by negative 1? So it's y equals x plus 6. So the y equals mx plus b equation is y equals 1x plus 6. Run the equation in line with the same y-intercept as this line, parallel to this line. So because it's parallel to this line, this slope is negative 5 over 2, or I can just rewrite it as 5x plus 2y equals some number. Now to figure that out, I got to rewrite this in y equals mx plus b format. Did you lose the page? So once I rewrote that in y equals mx plus b format, I have my y-intercept is negative 1. So I can just go ahead and do the slope as y equals negative 5 halves x minus 1. I got that minus 1 from over there. Is it a function? Doesn't work. To find out if it's a function, do the vertical line test. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. Is not. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. What comes first in the alphabet? X or Y? What comes first in the alphabet? D or R? D represents the x values, the domain represents the x values, the range represents the y values. To find the domain, I'm going to find the furthest left x value. Furthest left x value is over here at negative 3. The furthest right x value is over here at 1. So it's going to be from negative 3 over to 1. But notice there's an open circle in the negative 3, so that means it gets a parenthesis. It's a closed circle on the 1, so that means it's going to be a bracket. And the domain represents the furthest left, the lowest x value to the highest x value. The range is going to equal the lowest y value to the highest y value. Now this gets a little tricky because the lowest y value is negative 4 and it shows up in 2 spots. Notice they're both closed circles, so the range is going to be from negative 4, low value, to high value. What's the highest y value here? 0. Notice it's a closed circle here and an open circle there. So there is a value at 0. So it will be 0 with a bracket on it. Negative 4 with a bracket on it. The domain? Because, isn't that a closed circle? And isn't that a closed circle? So that gives it a bracket. Now I know this is an open circle, but on the range, there's no y value there. But bingo, there's a y value there. So it goes with one, it chooses the closed circle over the open circle. Get the domain of that. You're not allowed to take log of 0. You're not allowed to take log of 0. So whatever's in here has to be bigger than 0. So all you do is take that 6 plus 3x, and it has to be greater than 0. And then you solve it. So it's going to be 3x is greater than negative 6. Divide by 3. So x is greater than negative 2. If I were to graph that on like a number line, you'd have negative 2 with an open circle on top of it. Do I fill that open circle in? No, because it doesn't have a line under it. And then the arrow points to the right. So now in integral notation, it's going to be negative 2 in a parenthesis. How far to the right does that go? That arrow points to infinity. So it's going to be negative 2 to infinity. And you never put a bracket on infinity. You always put a parenthesis on it. first thing you want to do is type in 10 for each one. Plug in 10. So that's going to be 100 minus 70 minus 30 over 100 minus 100. And this is a pain in the neck. That gives me 0 over 0. When I get 0 over 0, that's bad news. So now they either want you to factor it or simplify it or something else. I don't trust too many people's skills at factoring. Are you any good at factoring or no? So I set up my butt cheeks. I set up my butt cheeks down here. I can factor this really quickly. That's going to be t plus 10. That's going to be t minus 10. I can factor the top one also. T times t equals t squared. And then what times 1 equals 30? I think it's 3 and 10. See how the 7 has a negative in front of it? Which one's bigger, 3 or 10? 10 gets the negative in front of it because it's bigger. It gets that sign. The 3 gets a positive. Did you notice that the 10s, the t minus 10s cancel out? Now I'm going to find the limit as t approaches 10 of the new function, which is t plus 3 over t plus 10. And that's going to equal 13 over 20. Here's the hack. You ready? If you don't know how to factor, and you get 0 over 0, this only works if you get 0 over 0. Okay, if you get 0 over 0, you can hack it. You take the derivative. What's 2 times 1? So it's going to give me 2t. What's the derivative of negative 7t? Negative 7. What's the derivative of negative 30? 0. What's the derivative of t squared? 2t. What's the derivative of 100? 0. Now I plug in this limit as t goes to 10. So I plug in 10. So it's going to be 2 times 10 minus 7 over 2 times 10. That's going to be 20 minus 7, 13 over 20. Notice you get the same answer. You get the same answer. It only works if you get 0 over 0. If you get 5 over 7, don't do the hack. The answer's 5 over 7. As I approach 1 from the left, as I approach 1, x value 1 from the left, what y value do I get close to? 4. 2, y value. This is the same question. It's probably from the right they meant, you know what I mean? As I approach 1 from the right now, see how it says negative there and negative there? They probably meant a positive for one of them. So now as I approach 1 from the right, what y value do I get closer and closer to? Alright, let me put a horizontal through here. From the left or the right? Alright? And these are the y values. Those red lines represent the y values. So I'm approaching 1, and that's down here. I'm approaching 1 from the left. Okay? So I come along the left side here as I'm getting closer and closer to x value 1. What y value am I getting close to? 2. Now it says from the right. So I'm going to approach it from the right. What y value am I getting closer and closer to? As I get closer and closer to x value 1 from the right. 3. Now as I get closer and closer to 1 from both sides, that's the limit does not exist. You'll notice I'm wearing pink today. Because on Wednesdays we wear pink. And the limit does not exist. Do you know why? Because the 3 does not equal the 2. Alright, and at 1, there's a jump, isn't there? There's a jump, the limit does not exist. Now see how it has just 5? That's asking if it approaches 5 from both sides. So here's the 5. And as I approach it from both sides, notice, it gets closer and closer to the same y value as I approach it from 5 from both sides. What y value does it get closer and closer to? 4. This is just old school algebra 1. What this is saying is when x equals 1, what's y equal? So when x equals 1, I have to go to the closed dot. What's y equal? 2. When x equals 5, it's asking what the y value is. So when x equals 5, is there a y value? No. There's an open circle there. So it's D and E. Yeah. Now, they could do this, and they probably will. They'll put a dot here. At 5, they'll put a dot there. So if it has a dot there, the answer now isn't D and E. When x equals 5, it's 1. Alright, that coordinate is 5, 1. That coordinate there is 5 does not exist. 5 comma D and E. At A equals 4. F of A is defined. Yeah, F of A is defined. So that one passes the test. When A equals 4, alright, when A equals 4, do I have a y value? Yeah, 4, 4. That one's algebra. The limit as x approaches A, right? As x approaches 4. What's the limit as it approaches 4? What's the y value it gets close to? 5, right? So this is 4, 4. This is 5. Now, does the limit as x approaches A equal f of A? Does 4 equal 5? No. So that's the one that violates. That one's violating. Now, if they didn't have this closed circle here, f of A does not exist. Alright? If they didn't have that closed circle there, like back on this one, see how they don't have the closed circle there? It doesn't exist. So that would have been violated on that one. This one, they have it. So when A equals 4, y equals 4. If they didn't have that, then it would be D and E. That one would have been violated. Yeah. But because they have a dot there, it isn't violated. Alright, what's the base? What's the base? See the base? 3? That log leg is going to kick that 3 over, and that 3 is going to push up that 2. And that's going to give me a new equation. 9x plus 4 equals, what's 3 squared? 9. Then I just solve it. Alright, what's the base? So you're going to do this one in the calculator. Log base 32 of 64 equals x minus 8. So you're going to type in the calculator, log base 32. You're going to hit that log base button, type in 32 down there, right arrow in, put the 64 in, hit equals. That's not my answer. 6/5 is not my answer. I have to add 8 to that. So the answer is 46/5. So that's 6/5 equals x plus minus 8. So then while 6/5 is still in your calculator, just hit plus 8. And you get 46/5. What's the base? What's the base? 1,000, right? So you're going to do log base 1,000 of 100. Just type that in the calculator using that log base key. So I hit the log base key, and then I put 1,000 in for the base, and then 100 in there, and you get 2/3. Pretty nice. If you can do log base, it works out pretty quick. A quarter? When we're dealing with logarithms, that plus sign means we multiply x times x plus 3. So it's going to give me x times x plus 3 equals, you ready for this? See this 2? See this 2? You kick it over, and it raises up that 2. So what's 2 squared? Do a little arithmetic, that's x squared plus 3x equals 4. Bring that 4 over, x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. You can factor it, but if you don't trust yourself factoring, you can mode 5 3 that. Okay? Say again? What do you mean minus? Then it's divide. Then it's divide. So I'm going to mode 5 3. I'm going to type in 1 equals 3 equals negative 4 equals. 1 equals 3 equals negative 4 equals. It gives me my solution of 1 and negative 4. Now I have to be careful. I have to be careful. I get 2 answers. One of my answers is x equals 1, and another one is x equals negative 4. You can't throw a negative number in there. You can't take a log of a negative number. So negative 4 won't work. It just won't work. So your answer is just 1. See the plus sign? That means x times x minus 2. Now notice over here, I don't have just a number. The last equation, I just had a number there. You see that? But because I have an ln, all the ln's cancel out. So that's my equation. X times x minus 2 equals 2x. Distribute it, so that's going to give me x squared minus 2x equals, equals 2x. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I'm going to subtract 2x from there. That's going to give me x squared minus 4x equals 0. And you can mode 5 3 that. You can mode 5 3 that. So when you mode 5 3, you're going to type in 1 equals and negative 4 equals and then 0 equals. So you're going to type in the 1 for the 1x squared, and then the negative 4 for the negative 4x. And then because there's no constant term, you type in 0. Hit equals and it'll give you your 2 answers. You should get 4 and 0. When you get 2 answers, you got to check them. You got to check them. So I get x equals 4, and I get x equals 0. Now, we're not allowed to take a log of 0 or a negative number. So if I put 0 in there, no good. It can't be 0. You're not allowed to take log or ln of a 0. So it has to be 4. It has to be 4. I like when it's log, no digit. What that means is because they're all logs, I can get rid of them after I combine these two. See the plus sign? That plus sign means it's going to be x times 10. Well, last I heard, that's 10x equals x plus 10. Now I have to solve this. So I minus x from both sides. That gives me 10 equals 9x. Divide both sides by 9. And it works. 10 9ths is a good answer.